ready to revolutionize the internet and build the future. Let's dive into the exciting world of dApp development on Ethereum. First, you'll need a development environment. Think of this as your digital workshop. Install Node.js and npm. They're crucial for managing your project and its dependencies. Next, smart contracts. These are the brains of your dApp, governing its logic and interactions. Solidity is the language of choice. Master its syntax and learn how to define functions, variables, and events to make your contracts interactive. Time for the user interface. A clean and intuitive UI is key for user adoption. Use frameworks like React, Vue, or Angular to build interactive frontends that connect seamlessly to your smart contracts, creating a user-friendly experience. Deployment. Tools like Truffle or Hardit can help to make this less of a headache. Compile your contract, migrate it to a test network like Ringcube or Goerli for testing and debugging, and finally deploy to the mainnet when you're ready to go live. Remember to test, audit, and secure your dApp rigorously. The blockchain is transparent, so vulnerabilities can be costly. Collaborate with other developers, seek feedback, and always prioritize security. Congratulations! You're now equipped to build your own dApps on Ethereum. The future of decentralized applications awaits. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more dApp development tutorials.